Hello, my name is Nico Valenzuela, and today I'll be debating the accuracy of forensic science in solving crimes. Dating back to even 3000 BC, with the Egyptians performing the first autopsy, applying scientific methods to law known as forensic science has been used across the world to gather evidence. Throughout history, these methods have evolved, becoming crucial tools for criminal investigations worldwide. I believe forensic science is an accurate and reliable way to solve crimes because it relies on physical and biological evidence, innovative technology, and meticulous validation processes, which all play a role in ensuring an accurate resolution to crimes. To start, I will compare fingerprint analysis to eyewitness testimonies. In 1892, the two Rojas siblings were found murdered in their home. Their mother, Francesca Rojas, accused a neighbor of breaking in and committing the crime. There was no evidence to support her claim except for a single bloody fingerprint. Using the pioneering fingerprint analysis method developed by Juan Vuetich, investigators matched the print to Francesca herself. When confronted, she confessed and was issued a life sentence. The case solidified fingerprint analysis as credible evidence in the court system. On the other hand, State v. Clemens was a controversial case between Eric Clemens and the justice system. In 1987, a black inmate at a Missouri prison was sentenced to death after killing a white prisoner. The one who accused him was a sole corrections officer. The corrections officer did not see Clemens commit the act, but instead found him after a chase. Despite several inmates saying that Clemens was innocent, it took 14 and a half years for Clemens to get another trial and eventually be exonerated. This shows problems in eyewitness accounts, including prejudice, court bias, and inaccurate recollections. These cases demonstrate that physical evidence, such as fingerprints, provide objective proof that is less susceptible to human error and bias, making it a more reliable tool for solving crimes than eyewitness testimonies. Furthermore, the rapid development and evolution of new technology have been crucial in enhancing the accuracy of forensic science and minimizing the margin of error. One significant advancement in DNA technology was the process of acquiring large tissue samples to accurately identify individuals, to now using the smallest and even sometimes deteriorated genetic material. A notable case illustrating the process involved is the 1979 murder of Esther Gonzalez, who was found dead next to a highway. Initially, the suspect cleared his name by passing a polygraph test, despite the other circumstantial evidence. However, years later, after the suspect's death in 2014, researchers obtained a blood sample during his autopsy and compared it to a sample found at the crime scene. The DNA analysis conclusively linked him to the murder, ultimately solving the cold case after 35 years. This breakthrough can be pushed even further by showing how DNA testing at crime scenes can not only prevent wrongful conviction of innocent people, but also help identify potential repeat offenders. Finally, the various types of evidence gathering in forensic science must undergo testing and review before it is deemed valid in courts and by other bodies. Standardization protocols, clear definitions, and best practices are in place to ensure that forensic results are, as the Organization of Scientific Area Committees OSAC states, valid, reliable, and reproducible. OSAC, a collaborative identity established by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, plays a pivotal role in maintaining and enhancing the accuracy of forensic methods. There are many new breakthroughs in the forensic science space, and when they are created, they are sent to OSAC to be tested by a group of 800 plus volunteers from various fields to ensure that they are well suited for future applications. However, despite the accuracy and reliability of forensic science, it is not without flaws. Some critics argue that certain forensic methods, such as bite mark analysis and hair microscopy, lack a strong scientific basis, leading to potential errors. In some cases, human error, misinterpretation, or even bias in evidence handling have contributed to wrongful convictions. For example, contamination or improper storage of DNA samples can compromise the integrity of the evidence. Additionally, forensic analyses are not immune to biases, which can influence the interpretations. These issues show that while forensic science is a powerful tool, it is not infallible and requires ongoing improvements in standardizations, training, and quality control to maintain the accuracy and reliability. In conclusion, forensic science remains one of the most accurate methods of solving crimes, thanks to reliance on physical and biological evidence, advanced technology, and a rigorous validation process. Although not without flaws, continuous improvements ensure its reliability. By minimizing human error and biases, Forensic science provides objective proof, solidifying its role as an essential tool for justice.